Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about free text-to-speech software for YouTube videos. Will you believe me if I say Google itself has a free text-to-speech software for YouTube video? Yes, it's true. In this video, we are going to use Google Cloud-based text-to-speech software to convert your text or script to stunning speech. I have seen a lot of people spend hundreds of dollars in the text-to-speech software like Talkia and Speechelo. Google Text-to-Speech. Yes, you have to open the above link to use the software. I will give you step-by-step instruction to use software. Audacity. Google Text-to-Speech is paid one, but in the blue video, I have explained a simple method to use it for free. If you do not like the above method or if you find it difficult, I also got a new more free text-to-speech software for YouTube video, that is Murph. Murph software has both free and paid version. In free version you cannot record the voice over, but using the method in the video you can use the Audacity of any other screen recorder to record and use the text-to-speech output in the free version. Murph is a flexible artificial intelligence voice generator with 100 plus authentic text-to-speech voices in 15 languages. The second software is Nature Reader. Nature Reader provides excellent text-to-speech conversion at work, at home, and on the road. Upload documents and text and convert to voice and download as an MP3 to listen to anywhere. It may also be used to read text from scanned photos or documents. Access your previous uploads and convert them to MP3. It's ideal for working professional students, foreign language students, and dyslexic readers. The third software is Free TTS. Free TTS provides a free alternative for online text-to-speech conversion. You may type your text or paste it from another file. Select from 35 plus languages from the top down box. Select the voice you wish to listen to from the box and convert into MP3. You can use artificial voices for business purposes for free. SSML allows your company to modify the audio by providing specific and audio formatting for dates, acronyms, and pauses. Number 4 software is Balabolka. Convert your script with Balabolka text-to-speech software by leveraging Microsoft's unique speech application programming interface. Balabolka, known as one of the greatest text-to-speech technologies available, works to increase the quality and intelligibility of voice. Balabolka also allows you to change the voice, pitch, and loudness of certain sentences, which is a feature not found in other applications. Balabolka can be used by teachers in reading activities to improve pronouncing particular words inside books. Now, what are the benefits of this text-to-speech software? It is simple to change voices. Speech recognition enables you to generate documents from all of your devices, whether they are not at your risk in transit or after a meeting while the talks are still fresh in your memory. When you are traveling and do not have a pen with you, voice notes are extremely valuable for keeping your thoughts in mind. Furthermore, you only need to think aloud. Only your thoughts are transcribed into a documents that once updated may be used by you or your partner. It is simple to utilize multiple language. Text-to-speech software can generate multiple language which make it very easy for the user, and also if you have YouTube channels in multiple language. And now some extra benefit of text-to-speech technology. Text-to-speech has the greatest impact on an audience with a genuine need such as visually challenged persons who can readily access material owing to text-to-speech. But when you think about it, artificial speech is for everyone. It is no longer simply a text-to-speech technology for individuals with impairments. It is now possible to read a text without having a gaze at a screen. As a result, you can seek access to the contents of your emails or a web page. Now, what are the conclusion of text-to-speech softwares? New technologies have enabled the development of tools that allow you to operate more efficiently by increasing productivity inside your organization. Why go without speech recognition when it allows you to work more freely, enhances your efficiency, and save your time and money? Thank you for watching my video. Bye.